there, Intro to Clay students. I want to just give you a little intro of Canvas. You get a little bit of this in class too. If you need any help, let me know in class and we'll talk it through. But I've got information in your organized week by week or project by project. So the first thing in here, general class information, has things like your syllabus, the calendar. Remember, this calendar has some more information than this calendar does over here. But you can use both of them. You can push that little triangle to make that smaller so you don't have to see all of that information. Down here, this is our first project. So this is all stuff getting ready for the first project, and you can see there's quite a bit of pieces to go. There's only so much you have to do in the first week. So Intro to Clay Interactive is where you started here, what you're watching currently. There is also links to things that are linked in that lesson, so you can get to the information about the first project and the rubrics through these links here. You can also get to the creative problem rubrics through here. You can also get to the project planning assignments. That's a Google Doc. You can link to it this way. You can email me through inbox right here. Just click on that and then you can identify my name or identify the class and then my name to get to that stuff. The main thing you're using Canvas for in this class is your weekly assignments. You can access all that other stuff, but the weekly assignments are accessible through these On Your Own OYO links. This first one is a little bit more complicated just because you have a number of options, and I'm going to make this all fit into here. So this week you get to pick which one of these 4 things, or one of these 6 things you do. You're going to do a total of 4 out of these 6 throughout the quarter. So extruder technique, if you're going to do that, you do this stuff and you skip the rest of number 2. So everybody needs to do number 1, number 2, but within number 2 you get some choices here. Everybody needs to do number 3, but you're doing only one of these quizzes or activities. These should link you to the things you need. So the playlists for each technique, you can do, you can watch these all at once, or you can watch them you can take breaks if you want to and watch them. I also want to show you one more thing. If I link to this playlist, and I just pick the Coil and Pinch playlist, it's got a bunch of videos for you to watch. Some of these videos can be watched a little sped up. So generally the thing is, if I'm talking, you probably want to watch it basically at the correct speed unless you've seen it already. But you can play around with some of the other ones and determine, oh, I'm partway through this one, determine whether you want to watch it at regular speed or not. This is at normal speed. This particular one can be watched a little fast. You can also kind of flip through or click through these to see when they start talking or when they're not talking. Please do be aware, though, when you that each of these has a quiz. Each of these, except the 3D printer, has a quiz. So the quiz is going to ask you questions about what was covered in all of the videos, and so you need to watch enough of all of the videos to be able to answer these questions. You have 45 minutes for each quiz, so that means you're not going to be able to watch the whole. You're not going to be able to just take the quiz while watching the videos, because the videos may take longer than that time. Anytime you spend beyond that that hour of class time, you can count on your time card. Put it onto your time card as much extra time as you spend. And then one other thing I wanted to let you know about. So each week you're going to have an On Your Own assignment. Right now, I have up On Your Own Week 1. You've got 2 pieces of that, and I've got On Your Own Week 2 up. I've also got On Your Own Week 3, 6, and 8, but some of the other ones aren't fully up. So you see you've got access to this first week. The second week set of projects is mostly accurate, but I've got a couple of things I need to make some adjustments on by the time we get to that week. If you have any trouble navigating Canvas, if you're trying to find something and you're having trouble, let me know as soon as possible. You can send me an email over here in the inbox. You can also just ask me during class. You can also call if you've got a question. Thanks.